Friends, welcome. So 7:30 Monday. So daily we are coming at 7:30 Indian Standard Time evening hours to give you all the updates what you have added and what you are going to add our tutorials and all. So request you to please join regularly at 7:30 so you can get an update, and also you can ask us questions, details, or any ideas, suggestions, anything you have. You can post it here or below the tutorials also you can post it. So this is I hope you are all enjoying the tutorials. We have today we have added 3, so tomorrow also 2 are ready. Tomorrow we'll upload 2, and in the coming days also we'll be adding little change in that. So this time we are going more for a Hindi tutorials in the Hindi video tutorials. So these are all podcasts, so you can listen to that. Let me just tell you what are all things we have added recently. So in that you can see about the Python basics. 2 days back I think we have added it. Then go about the collab, the cloud, all are in Hindi. Then understanding the variables in Hindi. Then again format, how you will Python format function, use it, how you will use it in that also we have prepared it in Hindi. Today also one more AI tool, NotebookLM language update we have added. So in the NotebookLM, how you can use it in different languages, say in your regional language, in your mainstream. So any language, 50 such languages now Google NotebookLM is supporting. You can select the language and generate the podcast. Even you can chat it with it. You can brief docs and summary, everything you can create in the language what you prefer. But somehow the mind map is not yet, it is still available in the default language, which is English for me. Other things are not yet, I think mind map is not in the local language or the other languages, whatever you selected. That's a wonderful feature. You can any topics you can listen to the podcast in the language you prefer, and that language translation also very perfect. It is not that every word by word it is translating. It is certain things like say you don't expect certain words to be translated also. Say library, Python library is not our book library, so it maintains the same words because these meanings are better understood if the words are kept in English. So it picks up those words. So library, it keeps it in keeps in English, and other things it translate to Hindi. Hope you will enjoy that. And this podcast 3 were already added. Tomorrow on reserved words and built-in functions. These 2 will be coming up tomorrow in Hindi. So these 2 podcasts and one NotebookLM. Reserved word is already published, so that you can see in Hindi. And tomorrow built-in functions in Hindi will come. So tomorrow I hope you will also like that one. It will be, I hope it will be a good learning for you. So it's in Hindi, so you can, those who are comfortable with Hindi can find it useful. And there was the language feature in NotebookLM also. These are all about the site updates and all. Let me just come here. Yeah. So these are all about the updates. Video welcome. Thank you. Thank you, friend. So hope you are enjoying the tutorials and all. Continue. I'll be little focusing more on this particular language feature. So I am developing in that. So I think a lot of tutorials we have added it. And today I got some free ebooks are also available in Python basics and all. I thought I will share that. Okay, let me see tomorrow if I can share that. So in your free time you can study those ebooks also on Python. And second thing is if you have anything specific in your mind, please ask here or in the below the comment section. Yeah, yesterday we got a nice question also. That question was, okay, here I may not get it. Just stay there. I will just read the question for you. Community, let me just see. Okay, just wait. Can I make a website using Python, PyExcels, such that user can edit master Excel sheet and download it? See the way you work in your Excel, in your desktop application, even a website, technical speaking it can be done. There is no point it, because if it is Python, then you have to use a Django framework to go it in the web, or a Flask you can use. So it's the web it can be. And once it is Python, you can install PyXL or any other plugin you can in the Python site and allow the Excel. But that is little tedious. That is not the better way. Usually you, if you want any anything data to be edited, tabular data, click edit, then go on changing everything, you can do that. And usually Excel, CSV or PDF, XML, these are allowed to download. Say I want all the data from our last 3 months, 2 months, 1 week, 10 days. I'll be given a drop down list of a calendar, or a calendar to pick up the dates and all. And based on my selection, data will be filtered and shown. There will be a choice for me whether I want to download it in Excel or CSV or PDF, XML, JSON, any format I want I can, or in SQL also. So I can create my own database table using that data. But usually this is done, but I never seen anybody allowing a Excel file to be, because all those plugins start to be installed. There is no use in that. So that is why my reply was also, it was based on that, suggesting that don't try to give a because that too much work will be involved in that way. So try to edit Excel, allow edit in normal browser, whatever way you want to edit, allow to edit the data. And once data is edited, update it, and allow people to export the same data in whatever format, including Excel. So that was the question. It's a good question. I have replied to that. Then if you have similar question anytime, you can just post it here. Okay, .csv, fine. Any data, if you give a filter, to apply a filter to it, say I have data there available, one date column is there. I want a particular range of dates I can give, or all the students of class 4, or all the students who secured mark more than 50. I can write a query, or I can just give a user a interface where user can select class, then mark, minimum mark, maximum mark, mark between, all the based on my requirement. I can give the user the selection, and then once that, then apply that. So once I apply it, data will be filtered based on these conditions, and the data will be displayed. Now the same point, I can give a button or another drop how I want to export the data. So that also I can give that one. So that way what will happen, that any format the user can download, including the Excel also. Usually CSV, JSON, PDF, all these are given. Even the Google, you can see many several places, right side top share button will be there. So there you can click that and give a range and download the data in CSV. CSV means comma separated value, JSON or XML, many other things. Even SQL query also you can download it. It will create a query for your MySQL table, and you can just download it and run that to create the database tables. So that is the usually the way the data is given for downloading or transporting to a other sources. So that was a good question. I thought I will share with you. Okay, already 8 minutes. So we will not stretch it beyond 10 minutes. Usually we stick to 5 minutes. Hope you are all enjoying the tutorials, whatever we are adding. And if you have any time, you can contact us for all the your ideas, suggestions, questions, and please tell your friends also to join. And now since many tutorials are going to come up in our Hindi podcast section, so those who are comfortable in Hindi can also enjoy and learn lot of things in the on the Python area. And friends, now, yeah, TensorFlow I worked in. Explain means I need some time for that. TensorFlow in the Google Cloud Colab platform, you can work in TensorFlow. I have one page on TensorFlow what I have written. Let me just see, I can show you on that. That is a very basic introduction to TensorFlow. Let me just see that. But studying, I need also to study the TensorFlow again, because I think sometime back, 5-6 months back, I worked on it. Let me just go to Python homepage. TensorFlow basics one page is there. I am just giving you the link here. Okay, this is, I have just some little description only. What is a tensor, what the graph, okay, it multidimensional. I'm just giving you the URL. You can find, just read this. I have not explained it. I think I have to work on a bit more. Just see the link here, so you can just see. I have to update. I think this is a very quite old page. I have not worked on it. That's all, friends. Any database into right now? Yeah, just study that. You may get it, the details on that. And database integration, SQLite, MySQL, Python, all those basic stuff on Python, creating small applications and all. We have a lot of pages on that. You can blog posts, you can just read them in Plus2Net. That's all, friend. Already 10 minutes over. We just fixed the time for 10 minutes, so I can give you the updates and all. That was what the intention is here in the live session, so you can enjoy it. And still I am little busy with my travel vlog also. I am not yet completed, so I am not able to give more time to here in the programming. That's all, friends. If you don't have any more questions, we'll close the session for today. Please share this with your friends and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you are not done so already. Please tell your friends also to join. We'll have a useful discussion. Please, tomorrow also hope you'll join us at 7:30. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.